Dodge Chargers, they are hot cars.
Car thieves capping a banner year.
Crime going down right here in our area.
So you might be wondering, what can you do to reduce the risk of your car being stolen?
All right, guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but we have something new to show you guys on Mopars, Ford, any vehicle out there that has a push to start button. This will work on. I have the Hellcat key right here. Okay, so you don't think that I'm lying. This is the key for that vehicle. Alright. And then look at these guys over here. So I'm gonna turn it off. Alright. Now let's get in the car. Watch this though. Still the same key. Let's get in. Oh god. So, same key. And I will show you. Let me close the door. It's gonna be warm in here. Okay. Lock. Okay. This is the key. Safe to say. Turn off the car. Let me open the door, guys, because it's oh. Rookie mistake. Let me open the door because it's warm in here. But check this out. Now, if I press the brakes, there you go. Press the brake and go and start it. It's not starting. But check this out. It's gonna flicker over here. Press it again. Do you see it doing its thing? And I still have the same key. It's the exact same key. And brake is pressed, so you can see. Alright, let me see if it'll focus. So, pressing it with the key. Nothing. Now, I gotta do a quick pin on here. Let me see if I can put the camera on my shoulder real quick so it stays. Just bear with me. Alright, so now the good thing about it is that because it's a canvas system, I have to put in a pin number. I have the key right here still. Same key. As you can see. Let me tilt over here. Where is it at? It's not starting. Alright. So I'm probably going to block the screen here so you don't see what the pin is. But here we go. Put that pin in. Same key. I got confirmation on the dash. Watch this. So it is a full anti-theft system that we have. And the best part about it is to watch this. We turn off the car, right? And we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's that quick. Watch this. Like it won't. It just takes 5 seconds. Look at that. 5 seconds to do everything. So now let me show you another way. So that you don't have to put your PIN number every single time. They also make it easy for you where you can have an app. Obviously, you want to make sure that the app is right. So all I have to do on the app is turn it on. And look at that, I get confirmation on that. I'm gonna turn it off on the app again so you guys can see it. But check out the turn signals. Look at how they blink. Oh, I guess, hold on. My mistake. Let me turn this off. Back to it. Key is still right here. Okay. And there's nobody else in the car. Don't think that somebody else is handing me another key. Like, there ain't nobody next to me, guys. So I'm gonna press the brake again to start the car. Nothing. Not a single thing. So now let me show you real quick here on the dash. You're gonna see the blinkers turn on when I hit the app. Watch this. So it detected my phone. So now I can actually start the vehicle. Like I said, the key is still right here. So it's an anti-theft, and I mean, now you can just use the vehicle as normal. So, and it works on all Mopars, every car that you can think of, you name it. So let me show you guys one more time. Let's turn off the app. I'm gonna close this. Alright, so let's say, you know, you're out and about, but the best part about it is that you can also get like a little dongle for, you know, valet or whatever with it. So now guys, again, I'm gonna try to start it. It's been 5 seconds. Nothing. I mean, you can clearly see right there. So let me input the pin one more time. Pin has been inputted. Watch this. Oh, I got confirmation on the dash. Sorry, I should have showed you that as well. But watch this. There's no extra wires that you need, guys. That's all you need. It's just that simple. And not only that, the best part about it, let me get out. Ooh. Not only that, guys, your remote start still works. There you go. That on the Charger, and it also works on Challengers, on any vehicle. Let's get in it. Well, here, let me show you. So you can see this is the key for this vehicle. There you go. So we're gonna turn it off. Let's get in it. Whew, man, it's hot. Oh God. A small person was driving this car. Scenario. Got the key, right? You can see. This is the key for it. Let's go start it. It's not going to start. It's gonna do the same thing. It's gonna flicker. Now, like I said, I gotta hide this part. Oh, I gotta hide this part because it's actually a client's vehicle. But hang on tight for me, and I put the wrong code in. Put the code in. You get double clicks, and there you go. Starts. Now you're able to move the vehicle like normal. Everything else works the same. There you have it. And like I said, same thing on this one. Watch this. Turn it off. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that easy. It won't start back up. So let me see if I can put the camera on here somehow so that you can kind of see. Alright, so I'm trying to show you guys where. Alright. And it's kind of hard, guys. I apologize. So here we go. I'm gonna put that pin code in so that you can kind of see. You're gonna see right here that it's gonna, you know, accept it. Boom. There you have it. Now I can go ahead and start it. Like I said, guys, this works on any Mopar, any Ford, any vehicle that you have here in the U.S. and any vehicle that you have overseas. So there you go. And like I said, even the remote start works, but the vehicle can't be moved. There you have it. So like I said, there you go. So send us a message, give us a call, 702-444-4185, and we can get one of these installed in your vehicle. Don't let somebody else take your hard-earned money, because you guys have seen it. Break a window. They break a window, right? They're able to pull the little coin thing, push your car down the street, make a new key for it, and they take it. Now the best part about it is that this system itself, not only does it lock your vehicle from starting, even if they bring a new computer and plug that into your car, it will not start because this is part of it. Now, with that as well, they can bring a new computer, they can bring a new module, they can bring everything, new keys, you name it. This is a 100% anti-theft system. Guys, highly recommend it. Check it out. Give us a call, and we're here for you.